Hello students, I am Rajendra Surose and today we are going to discuss pre-filled syringes. So in this lecture, we will discuss the introduction to a different pre-filled syringes, then advantages of pre-filled syringes with medical advantages, manufacturing and marketing advantages, then different types of pre-filled syringes such as the glass syringes and plastic syringes, and the filling and sterilization process. Nowadays different sterilization process, filling process are used in pharmaceutical industry for preparation of such a type of pre-filled syringes. See the introduction of pre-filled syringes. This is a device generally used for the administration of a drug via parenteral route of administration, such as intramuscular, subcutaneous, intravenous, and many more parental route of drug administration. See, there are over 20 pharmaceutical companies. More than 20 pharmaceutical companies are manufacturing a pre-filled syringes as a preferred delivery device, preferred drug delivery device as compared to a traditional or conventional drug delivery system, such as the drug means injections are generally available in vials, then ampoules. Then we have to break the ampoules and then fill properly in syringes, and then we are going to administer to the patient. So therefore nowadays many pharmaceutical industries manufacturing such a type of a pre-filled syringes, means already filled, not necessary to fill or measure accurate doses of a drug in syringes. It's 2 ml, 3 ml as per the doses of a drug. Such a type of a pre-filled syringes available in market right now, so called as the preferred drug delivery system because of this reason. Then, for the pharmaceutical company, the advantages of pre-filled syringes are a minimizing a drug waste and increasing a product lifespan, increasing a life of a drug product life, as well as minimizing a drug wastage. So everyone means the scientist or pharmaceutical industries, any manufacturer think about the wastage, always thinking about the wastage. They're trying to minimize the waste of a drug or wastage of a drug by utilizing or by following a many means. So this is the one means to minimizing a drug waste, pre-filled syringes. For health worker, pre-filled syringes are recognized as an efficient, reliable and convenient method for a drug administration. Means completely these are the means pre-filled syringes are completely sterile, means no any chances of contamination or cross contamination, accurately measured dose, so means a point 0.2, so point 0.2 accurately measured in a pre-filled syringes. So accuracy reason, reliability, efficiency and convenient. So therefore the health worker or many researcher are preferred this type of a drug delivery system. Then the ease at which patient can self administer. So self medication again very important, because as we know that, so intramuscular, intravenous or subcutaneous, okay, or subcutaneous can self administer through the subcutaneous means insulin and any other preparation the patient can self administer via subcutaneous, but in the case of intramuscular or intravenous, so self medication cannot be possible. So this is again one reason. It also reduce the overfill. Unlike the vial, those are overfilled by as much 20 to 30% to account for potential waste. So this is again minimizing a drug waste. Pre-fill syringes, we are going to directly fill accurate dose as per the requirement. Or when you compared the pre-filled syringes with the vial, so as we know that in a while a 20 or 30% we are going to fill extra or overages quantity, extra quantity. So this is about the introduction to a pre-filled syringes. So the advantages of pre-filled syringes, it has many advantages: convenience, affordability, accuracy, sterility, safety. It has some medical advantages, manufacturing advantages, and marketing advantages. So we'll discuss one by one. Convenient. How pre-filled syringes is more convenient as compared to traditional or conventional drug delivery devices or packaging material. During any emergency like cardiac arrest, filling of standard syringes can be a time consuming and complicated process require a quick injection syringes. In as we know that in cardiac arrest or in any emergency condition, the quick injection is necessary. So pre-filled syringes means, as we know that the drug is already filled with the accurate dose. So these are the ready to administer. Okay, means take a pre-filled syringes and administered into the patient with accurate doses. So the convenient as compared to a traditional drug delivery system. So this is a very important advantages. Then affordability. A standard syringes features cylindrical a glass barrel and tightly fitting a glass rods, which are more expensive to manufacture in comparison to plastic based pre-filled syringes. Accuracy. Pre-filled syringes cartridge assure that the patient receives the accurate doses. Patient receives the accurate doses. See, this is especially advantageous for those patients where self-administration of parenteral is recommended by the physicians or practitioner in chronic treatment. So in many cases, especially in chronic treatment, the physicians or practitioner recommended to the patient for self-administration. So when you compare the self-administration with the pre-filled syringes and with traditional syringes, so the pre-filled syringes is more convenient, more accurate, because the measurement not necessary, already the major dose is filled in pre-filled syringes. So therefore the accurate is again the important advantages of pre-filled syringes. Then sterility. Once a standard syringe is filled with a medication, it will remain optimally effective or sterile for approximately 12 hours. Remember, 12 hours. In comparison, a medication stored inside a pre-filled syringes cartridge will remain sterile for approximately 2 to 3 years. Just compare the period 2 to year and 12 months. Sorry, 12 hours. So this is a very sterile, no any chances of contamination, cross contamination or any other contamination. Okay, 2 to 3 year the dose or the medication which is stored or filled in pre-filled syringes are sterile up to 2 to 3 year. Okay, then it has some safety. Okay, the pre-filled syringes have a high level of accuracy, which makes them safer to use. Some cartridges are designed to fit into self-aspirating syringes, which essentially pierce the skin and inject medication without push on a plunger, and this ensures that the injection reach the appropriate depth and that doses are administered smoothly. Safety advantage. So these are the some important advantages of pre-filled syringes. It has some medical, manufacturing and marketing advantages. See the medical advantages. Healthcare professional benefit from accurate pre-measured doses, reduce the dosing and medication error. This is again important. Reduce dosing and medication error and reduce the risk of microbial contamination. Pre-filled are convenient for emergency use and have potential for duplicate peel of labels, which facilitate the patient charting. So this is about the medical advantages. See the manufacturing advantages. Another key advantage is that the pre-fill required less overflow as compared to We already discussed that vials we need to fill a 20 or 30% more content inside the vial. Okay, so as compared to this, uh, it required the less overflow. For example, for a zero point 0.5 ml vial, the USP recommended a 20 to 25% overfill. Okay, for zero point 0.5 ml vial, the USP recommend 20 to 25% overfill. In contrast, for a zero point 0.5 ml required overfill is less than a 2%. As a result, potentially 18 to 23% more doses can be produced. Okay, because ultimately, uh, 18 to 23% your content to be saved. Okay, so more doses can be produced. Simple and flexible processing format made pre-fill easier to incorporate into pharmaceutical company manufacturing line. So this is about the manufacturing advantages of pre-filled syringes, and the marketing advantages. Not only to healthcare provides prefer pre-fills, but healthcare products are also accepted and well known globally. Products can be found in virtually every hospital, and this real-time exposure gives us a unique opportunity to develop products for customer that will be well accepted by their ultimate recipients, end user, doctor, and other healthcare professional. So this is about the advantages of a pre-filled syringes. Now, the types of pre-filled syringes are basically a glass type and plastics. Plastic pre-filled syringes has many advantages, but it has some limitations also. Then the plastic, nowadays the plastic pre-filled syringes are more convenient or more affordable as compared to a glass, or as compared to a traditional drug delivery system. We'll discuss one by one the glass and the plastic pre-filled syringes with their advantages, limitations, or disadvantages. The glass pre-filled syringes. So glass is used as it is a non-reactive and stable during a storage. So as you know that as per the USP, there are four classes of a glass: type 1 highly resistant borosilicate treated soda lime glass, type 2 soda lime glass, type 3 and general purpose soda lime glass 4. So the glass has some advantageous properties. So non-reactive and stable during a period of time, means during a storage condition. So glass used in a manufacturing of pre-filled syringes should be made up of borosilicate glass of hydrolytic class F1, highly resistant borosilicate glass. In previous lecture we already discussed the pharmacopoeial evaluation test, which is performed on the glass, testing of a glass for a packaging of injectable preparation, like the powder glass test, water attack test, etc, etc. Means, so basic the rationale behind a such type of a test, as you know that. Okay, means you can conclude or you can observe the percentage of alkali or the percentage of the component of a glass to be leached or released into the medicament or into the injection. So this is again important. So therefore in that cases, in the preparation of the pre-filled syringes, we should means use the type 1 highly resistant borosilicate glass. See the type of glass pre-filled syringes: oil siliconized syringes and baked on a silicon syringes. So see the first, oil siliconized syringes. In this type of pre-filled syringes, a system, there is a direct contact of a rubber to glass surface, which leads over time to higher breakout forces and leads to chances of decontamination. And baked on silicon syringes provide the consistent coating of the glass barrel. So this is about the types of a glass pre-filled syringes. Now the plastic pre-filled syringes, the plastic provide a robustness against the breakability and are light in weight as compared to the glass syringes. And the plastic material used for the pre-filled syringes are mainly of two types: cycloolefin polymers, commonly known as COPs, and cycloolefin copolymer, commonly called as COCs. See, these cycloolefin polymers are a clear amorphous copolymer based on cyclic and linear olefins. So polymers, as you know, that the polymers are the combination or it content consisting a monomer, the chain of many monomers. Okay, so as per their structure, the chain polymer, cross-link polymer, linear polymer is there. Okay, so the cycloolefin polymer are a clear amorphous copolymer based on a cyclic and linear olefins. These material form a family of engineering resins that exhibit a unique combination of properties including high transparency, low density, excellent moisture barrier capability, etc. Topaz, okay, topaz, cycloolefin means COCs is being used for the pre-filled syringes. Then significant advantages. What is the significant advantages of cycloolefin copolymer? So COCs are light in weight and less prone to breakage. These resins are also more resistant than polypropylene to water transmission. So this is about the significant advantages of COCs. Now, other advantages of plastic pre-filled syringes. Excellent low temperature characteristics including tolerance of a freeze drying and liquid nitrogen exposure, high heat resistances material, excellent drain ability, high break resistance, high transparency, easy, safe and environmental friendly disposal of the plastic syringes. So because of these advantages, means the plastic material widely used in a pharmaceutical industry for making a pre-filled syringes as compared to a glass material. So this is about the novel technique, or you can say the newer method for the administration of a parenteral drug with the pre-filled, with accurate doses, with sterile doses, etc., etc. Now, the filling and sterilization process. The traditional filling method include filling of syringe with the solution, whatever solution, suspension or emulsion, that is the parental dosage form, closing and then final sterilization of the pre-filled syringes. Okay, first filling and then after filling going to sterilization purpose. So this is the traditional method, but nowadays a newer technique developed has online vacuum filling coupled with the online vacuum stopping known as the bubble free filling, known as BFF, bubble free filling. So this is a new technique developed as online vacuum filling coupled with the online vacuum stopping known as the bubble free filling. Sterilization of pre-filled syringes is mainly done by autoclaving, that is the most heat sterilization, or by ionizing irradiations. So ionizing radiation has the advantage of sterilization the syringe plunger while they remain in their packaging. Okay, so this is about the traditional and newer method for the sterilization of pre-filled syringes.